Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today it's about hugging your vacuum cleaner. My vacuum cleaner is called Roborock 2 and is made by Xiaomi. This is it. I've been using it for around 2 months and since then I'm really happy with it. I have only used once the classic vacuum cleaner when I had some works done in the house, in the flat. Now I'm not going to be going technical about this vacuum cleaner, or not too technical, because there's quite a lot of videos out there on YouTube and you will be able to find out the technical bits of it. I'm just going to be telling you about how I'm using it and what I'm finding, the pros and what are the cons of this vacuum cleaner. Obviously, because I'm hugging it, this one has quite a lot of pros. Cons is just few of them. So I'm gonna start with cons actually, and one cons is that this vacuum cleaner underneath has this dust collector and this brush over here, and if you have somebody with long hair, this hair will get collected here, and this is quite hard to clean. I mean, indeed you have some sort of a brush. I'll show you the brush, which is located just on top of it where you have the dust bin. Now this brush looks like this and it has like a cutter here. You can use the cutter to grab and cut the hair over here, from over here, and then you have this nice and you can put it back and use it. Now this is quite hard to use, and I think this area here might have been maybe better engineered in such way that you wouldn't have so hard time collecting the hair from here. There's a lot of hair on this side here, but not too much here. You see what I'm talking about? So it's probably the design should have been better thought, but this is just probably my personal opinion. I haven't heard too many people complaining about this. Maybe I'm too picky, but this is the cons. One of the cons things I found about this vacuum cleaner. Now the pros is quite a lot. It's small, it's not too heavy, is not too tall. It has like 10 centimeters, so it's not too tall. And the good thing about the fact that it's not too tall, it's just gonna be able to go under your coffee table, under your bed, and whatever things you have in your home. Most of them will be taller than that, so it will easily go underneath. It will clean, go back to the charging dock, which comes with the package. It has quite a few sensors. It has underneath it side sensors. I think those sensors here on side and front are to obviously see the objects, and also for stairs. I don't have stairs as I'm living in a flat, but if you have stairs, I think those sensors are for that. It has an extra sensor here. I think it's like a scanner. This one goes all around and I think it's scanning the room. And there's another sensor in front of it here, and there's another sensor on the right side here. And here also this is a bumper, so once the vacuum cleaner hits a wall, this is a bumper, and the vacuum cleaner will know that he needs to go back. It has two wheels. These two are independent. They have some springs. They're really grippy. They're quite tall, but once you put the vacuum cleaner down on the floor, they will go down underneath it. Those are really good. They can go over the rugs and carpets, and this is a really good thing. Now this one here is just like for guidance, and I think actually these two wheels, because they are independent, these are those that are guiding the vacuum cleaner to go left and right, back and forth. Now this brush here, it spins and it brings the dust in the center of the vacuum cleaner, and this brush here will collect the dust and will bring it in the dust collector, which I showed you in here. 400 grams of dust can be collected in this dust bin. Now it comes with some filters here. It comes with 2 filters. You can clean them and you can use them one by one. underneath the vacuum cleaner here, I have it in the bathroom, I'm not gonna be bringing it here. You have like a water tank which has on it attached some sort of textile material. You put the water in the water tank, and the textile material, you attach it to that respective water tank. You attach it to the vacuum cleaner to this through these two things here, and then you're just gonna be able to put it on the floor, and will mop the house as well. Now it has multiple cleaning modes. That means we can go like super strong, like turbo, and we'll have like a very gentle cleaning mode where you can just wipe and it's not gonna be vacuuming. So I'm really happy with it. That's why I'm hugging my vacuum cleaner. I think it's a good deal to have it, to buy it for the Black Friday, or if the Black Friday went away, is a good thing to buy as a present for your friends. It's not too expensive, it's not too cheap, but honestly, it's a good thing to buy. Thanks so much. Subscribe. Looking forward to coming back with different reviews and different discussions we might have. Take care. Bye.